Everybody in life has those people that just said, you aren't going to accomplish your goals. Nobody can ever make that amount of money on the internet. And I don't know about you guys. That shit lights me the fuck up. If you thought I was motivated before, if somebody tells me that I can't do something, bro, I have like unlimited motivation for the next like 6 months. When I was in college, I started diving really deep into this concept of the shadow, which was originally invented by Carl Jung. It's basically the shadow is the side of your personality that integrates all of the deep, dark, terrible, oftentimes, aspects of your character. Most people try to repress this. The repression of your shadow is a terrible, terrible thing to do, because when you repress your shadow, what happens is it still pops up just without your control. For example, in this context of like there's somebody in your life that's been doubting you, it's just like pissing you the fuck off. The way to integrate that is to use that as productive energy to run your business or to make money online, whatever that is for you. That is really how you use that productively. But if you don't, if you just take that and you like repress it, it's going to naturally come up and actually be destructive. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this content and you want a little bit more guidance to help you through each of these steps in even more depth, I do have a mentorship program called the Brand Builders Academy. If you want to join, you can always fill out an application with the link in the description of this video. Other than that, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.